In this video, I am reviewing this nice little tote here. This is the tote from Muji, and it's made from the polypropylene sheets, very much like the famous IKEA blue bag. But this bag, I think, is a little more refined. As you can see, look at the style. A little smaller, so it's way more practical as a regular carry. And I really have actually enjoyed using this guy in and around Hong Kong right now. It's just a good general carry-all. It also folds down. Before I show you the bag in detail, let me just give you the specs here. So this is made in China, 100% polypropylene sheets, and the size is about 53 centimeters wide, 36 high, and the gusset, it's 19, so I assume it's 19 centimeters wide. This thing does fold down completely flat, which is great. And it is 40 Hong Kong dollars, so maybe six US dollars. I don't think this bag is available, unfortunately, in the US yet. It's definitely available in Asia and maybe some other market, but I couldn't find it in the Muji US store. By the way, whoever came up with this tote design, isn't it just brilliant? Handle works, and then the long handles is just perfect for carrying like this. So let me show you the bag. So this is the bag up close. This is the large size. There is a medium size as well, and they also sell a kind of a small pouch thing. But this is, I think, the perfect size, right? Great for shopping. And let me just empty its content. I have my Chio, which is my favorite around the city walking bag here. So the Chio fits in there. See the size. And my mobile filming gear. So I'm filming this with a DJI Osmo Action 3, great camera. So this bag carries all the parts to it. And this is the tote. So what makes this thing so nice is it actually folds out with a square bottom, as you can see. So it will stand up. And depending on how you load it, it will stand up better and better, obviously. If you put a laptop in there, then the weight is high, then it's going to topple it over. But if you have heavy stuff on the bottom, it stands very, very, very well. It's very basic, right? It is really just a PE sheet. What makes it different from the IKEA Freitag bag is that there's a snap. There's a little bit of security if you're on a subway or something. And then, of course, the color. So it comes in this beige color, and there's a dark blue navy color, so that both looks really great. And finally, of course, this thing folds down. You see? Right? So bottom's flat. I guess however you want to fold this thing, I don't remember, but you can fold this up and then put it in the bag as a secondary carry. What I usually do is actually in my Chio, I carry one of these collapsible, again from IKEA, shopping bag, but this is not much bigger, right? It folds down, but it is, it looks better and has more structure. So this is just a great bag. After I've gone it, I actually have used it just to carry stuff around as my main walk-around bag as well. So again, this is the polypropylene tote, a very generic name from Muji.